Hey, what's going on, guys? So if you guys have seen my channel, you know I do some 3D printing for each of the holidays. Well, Christmas is going to be no different. So I'm going to run through a couple of the prints that I've came up with for Christmas, and hopefully you guys can enjoy and print some stuff off yourself. First one I got for you is this little Santa hat. Cool little decoration. You can put it anywhere. It's also one of those fun little spinning fidgets. I don't even know what you call these. They all fall together. A lot of fun. You set this on the table. It looks just like a regular decoration. You can pick it up. People can play with it. Whatever. Kids love it. I love it. I like fidgeting with things. This thing's pretty cool. And whoever came up with the designs for these things, whatever kind of magic you're using or engineering science you got going on, good on you, brother. Because that's really pretty cool how these things spin together. All right, how many of you guys do the elf on the shelf thing? Well, we've got the elf here in our house, and he goes up north every night and talks to Santa, comes back, does a little mischief, whatever. So for our kids, we're making a little mailbox for letters to Santa. So I still have the rest of this thing printing out. It does take a couple magnets, so I've got them coming from Amazon. And also I have another roll of filament because this print almost takes an entire roll of just the red filament, not including the white and the gold that are on the straps too. Now, I'll follow up and I'll show you guys that when it's all done. But that's a pretty cool print that my wife came up with that she wanted. It's going to be a nice little decoration, and the kids can send letters up to Santa. Helps them out with knowing what to get them for Christmas, right? The next one, I'm going to splice in some footage here. So a tradition in my family, back from when I was growing up, is my parents' house. We do the pickle gift. So you take a pickle ornament, you put it on the tree, and everybody at the same time on Christmas morning goes up and they all look for the pickle gift. We've now passed it on to the kids, and whoever finds the pickle gets the pickle gift. Now, it's usually something fun like a card game or a board game, something that everybody can enjoy, but you get to say that you found the pickle and you got the pickle gift. And it's something fun for all the kids to do. I think the tradition comes back from the Netherlands. I'm not positive, but it's something fun to do, something weird. But these Flexi pickles came out pretty cool. I did a small one and I did a big one. I don't know which one my parents are going to use, and I don't know if they're going to tell the kids which ones they're going to use, but it's going to be fun on Christmas morning, one way or another. All right. So speaking of family and kids, I love spending time with my family, with my kids, with my wife, everybody, for the holidays. There are a couple of things that I don't necessarily enjoy, right? Things like carving the pumpkins and doing the gingerbread houses. Like, I like doing it with them and I have fun doing it with them, but it's not necessarily one of my favorite things. Well, me thinking about 3D printing, well, what can I do to negate some of that maybe? In comes the Flexi reindeer dragon gingerbread guy. So this is going to be a print of a gingerbread reindeer Flexi dragon. It's got the icing. It's got the sprinkles on it. Very cool print. Now, our elf on the shelf jingle has already done a little bit of mischief with this guy. He's rounded him up. He's rode him around a little bit, but something cool for the kids. And yeah, I like playing with these things too. You don't have to be a kid to enjoy the Flexis and the fidgets. Now, my absolute favorite print so far for Christmas that I've made is going to be a gnome. And let me explain to you why. So my wife, she loves to decorate for every occasion, be it a holiday or an event, a party, whatever it is. But she's got gnomes for everything. She loves gnomes, and that's cool. As long as she's happy, I don't care. We can have gnomes all around the house. Now, I decided to make some gnomes of my own, and I wanted to sprinkle them in with the normal decorations. But mine, I'm going to call the cheeky gnomes. And can you guess why they're cheeky gnomes? Well, I printed out about half a dozen of these things, and I've sprinkled them around the house and with the normal gnomes and the normal decorations, maybe in the tree. Who knows? And now it's going to be a fun little game of who can find these little cheeky gnomes. Now, my wife has found a couple. She does watch this channel, so she may not know if there's still more or it left or anything like that. And I'm not gonna tell her. But this was a fun little print Makes for a little fun little scavenger hunt. And I thought about scaling one of these things up to, pretty big size. I think that'd be pretty cool. Anyway, these are just 5 fun prints that, I decided to throw on my printer for Christmas. And I'm going to continue to make more Christmas stuff. If you guys got any ideas, let me know. Again, I'm going to link everything down below. And I appreciate all of you guys watching my channel. And because of that, I've now become monetized on YouTube, which is great. So if you guys see my link down below to my store, you can grab some of my merch. Got shirts, hats, got a hoodie, got a polo. So I'm going to be adding some other cool things. Really help support the channel. If not, cool too. I still appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Keep printing.